Malik.
That is the one. And the boat.
Dance, Malik, dance.
And the boat.
It's the biggest.
A big,
What?
forklift is the biggest.
What's that? What is that? It's the biggest. That's the
Big. There's a big forklift.
It's the.
Big forklift.
It's the biggest.
A big forklift.
It's the biggest. Wala sila kay Pao. It's the biggest forklift. It's the biggest forklift ever. Yan, nandiyan yung mabidyoy kay.
Let's go now in the boat.
Okay, let's go now in the boat.
Okay.
What?
White
Do you want to see the biggest forklift ever?
Yeah.
Come here.
There's a
Look at that.
That's forklift. It's cat.
Cats, kuno nga forklift. Kana, Malik, can you see that on the right?
A big one.
Isn't that the biggest forklift you ever seen?
Yes.
This one.
And there's a smallest one.
Naku, na fish. At tumas. Mahadlok mo ko. Uy.
How to see the
Minsan, mahulog ka. Hello, de. Dili, not that big. It's just... Dili ka lagi pwede. Nakatanawa ka sa baan na nung tao. Ito, sapot. Tourist. Can you see it? Wait lang, kay dapat we fall in line.
Fall in line.
Yes. We have to fall in line first. Sa? Bugoy, Malik. Follow na.
There are boats.
Yeah, the boats. They're...
There are wheels for the boat. A crane.
A crane! Let's hoist. Ano naman ang crane sa ocean?
Oo nga, nung naaman ang crane sa ocean na.
He's building a house.
Building a house?
Yes. It's a crane boat.
On the sea?
Yes. A
House
crane
for what?
for the babies.
For the babies?
Funny man na si Malik.
What is that boat? What is that boat?
Oh my boat.
What is that boat?
How many ostrich did you see?
1,000.
1,000? Lala, mahog sila saan sa mana? Mahog sila sa?
Kana
Mahog sila na.
sa edge.
Mahog sila sa edge.
first time ra ba na mo adto mo ride ko sa plane. Ingna dali. Tell Tatyo, dali.
Ride ko sa plane mo.
Ingna Tatyo. Nara ba ko yun na unay caterpillar siya no? May caterpillar. Mara ba ni gipili ni Malik? Tatyo, you send me some blitz. Kay usara ang blitz, Tatyo. Kay tag 500 man usa ang blitz. Gibilin po si Fluffy, si dump truck, ug si Fluffy, wa na diha.
Asa naman si dump truck?
Bye-bye na.
Wa na.
Wa na si Fluffy
Nasad?
and dump truck.
Nasad ka kayo nabili? Ha? Wala ka masad? Wa naman to. Nabilin man sa boat. Tinawa. Yeah! Fluffy's here! Agi mong dump truck, asa man? Do you...
Just push down, then you ride and push. Push it.
I-push my son. Sasakay mo ha. Video ra ko.
Ano ita nga spot na magpa-picture to sis?
Ah.
Ali, pwede na ta magpa-picture ano nga spot.
Yun, si Malik kuya.
Yay! Sis, aras ka. Sweet ka, adju. Dade!
Moving muna. Stop Malik.
Grabe na, gyap. Stand, oh. Unsay blue? Ah. Hello, unsa man na mison? Hello, blue.
Butterfly.
Ah?
Butterfly right there.
There's a butterfly.
And a white butterfly.
Dili magpa-picture ta, picture mo? Ang sibi, ka?
CR.
Ah, okay. Alam mo magang chicken baggage kay at rin ko ni Jack.
Hello, thirsty na. Let's go eat na pod. Unhealthy foods. Malik and Mason, turn around. Turn around. Malik, turn around. Ali. Uban mo, sis. Muadto man si Malik sa... Kay Bo si Jack. Hongkong ra. Ang Hong Kong inside the plane.
Excited? Yes.
Vic, show me your excitement, Vic, to the camera. Show your excitement to the camera.
Okay. Kalibot-libot. Yay! First time raba ni Malik. Murad. Yes!
You're gonna ride this airplane. Yeah, this one.
It's going down and down.
Malik, where is Auntie Marvy, man? Is lost si Auntie Marvy. Ba't samaw?
But somehow. Someone in a little
Wala
fly.
sila.
I want the sun.
I want the sunglasses, man.
Sunglasses big bag na po lang siya. O, turn around naman yung airplane.
Pwede man na i-cover, Mason.
Round.
Yan naman na.
Yay!
Gisamuan sa taman. Ngayon, ano siya? Kidlap-kidlap na itong mata.
This is like a boat.
This is like a boat. Mura na sa boat. Katubang sa ocean jet.
Dad, this is like a boat. Pareha kanina.
Yan ako higit sa bag.
Someone in a little fly.
Wala sila.
I want the sun.
I want the sunglasses, man.
Dito sa big bag na po lang siya. O, turn around naman yung airplane.
A boat.
This is like a boat. Mura na sa boat. Katubang sa ocean jet.
Dad, this is like a boat. Pareha kanina.
Yan ako higit sa bag.
Oh no.
Unsa, what's your question?
Yes.
Unsa, yes.
Yes.
Risk of fire associated
This
with
is
lithium-ion
not
batteries that
our
damage
airplane.
electronic devices. We request
This is your airplane.
We don't have
Our
airplane.
outlets
This
to
is a
exactly
commercial
content.
airplane.
Emergency airplane.
Charging devices including power banks during this time.
Did
These
you
safety
see Mason?
protocols are meant to ensure compliance with the existing regulations and to provide security and portable electronic devices must be set to silent mode. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while the cabin doors are closed. And as you settle in for your flight,
In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits.
Ambulance. Little airplane.
Picture, look, Malik.
Smile, smile,
This
smile.
aircraft is equipped with emergency exit
Smile,
signs
smile, smile.
in the cabin. The location of the nearest
Malik, look.
Where is it the
doors.
Sagdi naman.
little airplane?
We're going to take off na.
Airplane.
Mag-pray na ta.
Plane never.
Mag-pray na ta.
Operation of the device is indicated by the equipment itself.
Strap on.
We are about to take off.
Take off na kung
Fasten seatbelts securely. Keep window shades open. Window tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited.
Emergency kuno. Ma-ambulance.
Non-smoking flight. Use of vape and cigarettes.
Emergency nga.
Vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by
Emergency ni
Lingkod
na
og tarong
airplane.
kay mulagpot ka if nag-take off nimo di ka mulingkod og tarong.
This
Lingkod
refers to
tarong ano.
engines
Ah,
powered by
very good.
electric
Fly over
or
ko.
charger.
Malagpot ka nag-take off.
Your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air
What is
and
that
push pins inward
saying?
to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water.
Go?
Ha?
This means go a green.
Mo start na Miss Malik.
Must start.
Mo start na. Look outside ha. Inig
Is
ka.
the race?
Start na ba na Miss? Yes, started.
Mga
Later, Miss Malik. Oh, murag mo. Murag sa
Later.
race. Fast ka ayaw mo dagan ang airplane.
dagan.
Kanina is on.
Is the race? I will always dream about this. Because I'm gonna dream
Ing na si Titan, video
Di mo nabito ganit siya.
Kanan yung sa video, ini ko ana.
Wala lagi mo video eh.
Ang video si Malik all the way. Well documented.
I can feel the intensity of this.
Videohan naman siguro ni Titan.
Videohan na. Ako. Ano Malik? My hand, Malik. Is there a blue?
Is the sea eater coming?
Oh, yes.
How do minus of darkness from the ilhan to the sky? Bilabad siya. Pare.
Mawa na na makuan kay. Lamis Malik. We're starting. Start na Malik. Butang na. Butang na. Butang na. Start na.
Naghanap siya. Tanaw siya. There's a vlogger. Ingan adobe.
If your
Thumbs up be.
if your
If
ear
you're
starts to hurt, no, not allowed. Nga na ra. Later na.
Sa mauman.
I will protect you. Okay.
This means black.
That means black. Kaya wala naman ang green sis.
This means black.
Yes. Black means no charging. Stop. Hello Malik, you were going to fly. Hapit na.
Happy.
Mm.
I'm inside.
You're inside. You're inside the airplane and the airplane's about to fly with you. So you have to buckle up so you won't be thrown off the plane. Kaya basig mo fly kag-apil. So put your hands on ana ra ha para safe ka ha.
Sa airplane.
Yeah, safe ka sa airplane. So we're going to the ramp now.
Not the wrong way.
No, not the wrong way. Whoa! Dili na samaw. Di na samaw Malik.
That close na.
No, ang light ra kay away from you na. Let's pray na. In the
Dili
name of the
kasi
Father, and
ko.
the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Dili kasi ko sa init.
Di na, it's a good thing.
Dili kasi ko.
We're going there. We're going na.
In the Hongkong. Around.
We'll fly.
The Hongkong are he's moving na. He's touching the smoke. He was touching the smoke. Mommy. He said he's touching the little smoke. Mommy.
Oh, Rani, continue it. Okay, Rani.
What by 300 GB ang magamit ka na?
Mga kay 50 GB na nilabili. Pag-lisod naman po, erase bit. Buti itong mga katong baby pa dyan because Malik kasi sa duha ni mismo. Sakit ang duha ng erase.
Ito, ibutang naman sa
Ang gibitang tanan sa terabyte pero kanang from the original the source bitaw.
serious na si Joe. Serious na si Malik sis. Mura na dyan ka feel sa tension. May isang yawin.
Dili so naman. Kaya ito niya ang kapaspas. Remote na siguro. Videohan na natitan. Sige, ako na video. Katugon man si Malik. Malik.
Liga na. Sa face.
Malik, look in the sky, Malik. Malik, look at the sky, Malik. We're gonna fly. Look. Malik. Huh? What? We're flying.
Si Melo.
We're flying.
Oh my God.
We're flying, Malik. Look.
Look at the window.
We're going to the sky. Look at this. We're taking off.
Mas
We're
cool si.
flying.
Cool si Ja.
Si Malik, listen.
Enjoy. Mas ka good flyer man yung babies. Ano ba na mo sa mura mababasa mo?
Matugon man si Jo. Ano?
Ano na mo laos?
Makatugon.
Wala si Ja. Ano ba mo naman? Kung matus man. Natog si Ja malulat din.
Nagparok na lagi na ganina. Pwede ka ni recline, bitch.
Andyan na. Dali mo magtin. Bigla ko. Ay, nanda na.
Rug na, na-hypnotize niya sa... Stop ko no.
Di wala, nagtanaw na siya sa sky na nilidiyuhan. Kana na, tinanam na sa sky. Liko, liko. Liko ang airplane. You want to sleep? Close your eyes.
Malik! Are you under... You're over the clouds? Huh? Before... Are you over the clouds? Look at that! Imbis kayo mo look up ka to see the clouds. You are now looking down the clouds. Is it amazing? Isn't it amazing? Isn't it amazing, Malik? Malik, are you still awake? Joke na.
Ow, ow, wow, wow, wow.
I-educate mo. say about your first plane ride?
Seat.
A seat. What else can you say? What does it feel to be flying inside an airplane? No, tinawag clouds na na. Nasumpos na to. Ah.
They're going down.
No, we're under them. Okay, nang over them.
The plane.
Because we're high up in the sky. See? We're in the sky. Did you know? Kinag-fly man to right now. We're flying inside an airplane.
The plane won't getting a wrong way.
No. When in the right way, we're still going there. We're not yet in our destination.
The helicopters are high and to go in the mountains.
Really? But we are higher than the helicopter because we're above the clouds. The helicopters, I don't think the helicopters can go above the clouds. They can only go farther, like they're still over the clouds. But the airplanes can go high, way up above the clouds, just like where we are right now. I said,
I said the plane will go a wrong way.
why, man?
Hello everyone, good afternoon once again for the flight deck. This is First Officer Dex. For your flight information, we are currently 250 kilometers southeast of Hong Kong Airport, and we have just started our initial descent. Weather and traffic permitting, we're expecting to touch down Hong Kong at 55 minutes past the hour of 5. Time check-in is now 5:17 in the afternoon.
We're almost
For your
there.
information, there's no time difference between Hong Kong and the Philippines. Again, local time for your convenience, it is now 5:17 in the afternoon. Weather over the airport is reported to be fair. Light winds at a ground temperature of 22 degrees Celsius. Once again, in behalf of the Blue Pacific and the rest of the team, we'd like to thank you for flying with us. And we
That's
hope
the
to see you
pilot
in your
talking,
future
yes.
flights. Welcome to Hong Kong.
Hello, we're in Hong Kong na day, Jude. We're in Hong Kong na, Malik.
Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for descent,
3, 1, 2,
The
3,
clouds
go.
are this big now.
I believe I can fly, babe.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I got the tape both.
Mora na, bawa na, Jude. Again.
Because si
Ready?
Ate Managsiyan na upak, 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 upak,
Ayaw, kay magkuba na makabayad, Jude ka.
Can we make it fly?
Mora to? Yeah?
Hong Kong.
Where are we?
Hong Kong.
Kung saan mo na yung makita?
The city. The road.
Stop making some money, bro.
Nag-ride si Malik. Si Daddy yung daiba.
Yeah, not right.
Tara, let's go. Yay! Hi, Mariel.
Pwede na ka mag-video-video, Dani?
Iba, wala na to. Si Daddy, iba.
So, Hong Kong. Oh, grabe si Mason is a baby traveler man na siya. Diba, Mason? Mason. So cute man si Mason.
Another one, Mommy, Dad. Another one? Yeah. Another one again. This Mommy and here.
Welcome to Hong Kong. Hi, Fion. Abot na mi, Fion.
Sige, pangulit of Didi.
I mean, ikaw man ang foodie.
Massage me. Ganang, ako ka. Kaya bastos-bastos. Ano na pala? There's
Tommycats. They look like tiny remote control. Kuya, there's some. This light is locked. They look like little They look like remote. Oh, we looked them from far, Minawa. Like a Tommycats. Kuya. They look like Tommycats. They look like remote controlled
be
cars.
careful ha, kay murag ma-open ra ba ni Malik?
It's like
Look at this, it's
Tommycats.
dangerous.
It's like Tommycats. Yes, they're like Tommycats driving on their own. They're like Tommycats driving in the road.
Hadlok. Mason, na Jo, Mason, kinaan siya si Mami, Mason. Scared ko, Mason. Basig ma-open yung window, Mason.
Here, so
Anira mo,
big.
anira. Ayaw mo kadoon ka dyan sa glass.
When we're eating here, we can even see the city.
Yes. It's already on.
Is the train not here?
Okay ra ka to sila. Ato sa ilang room.
Ha?
Ato sa ilang room.
Asa na room?
Asa mo?